The AHAWILL 200FT RGB Eaves lights are engineered to endure year-round weather conditions, boasting a robust IP67 rating, which ensures they can withstand storms and a wide temperature range. These lights offer an impressive array of customizable settings with 16 million color modes and numerous dynamic and sound-activated modes, perfect for setting the mood at any festive occasion. The ability to control the lights through both an app and a remote enhances convenience, allowing users to easily adjust colors, brightness, and modes to suit their decorative needs. Designed with safety and efficiency in mind, these lights come with a 24-volt power adapter and are simple to install with a strong adhesive backing for secure placement. The AHAWILL lights can extend up to 400 feet, providing ample coverage for large areas such as gardens or courtyards, making them versatile for various outdoor settings. Customer satisfaction is prioritized with a responsive after-sales service ready to address any issues within 24 hours, ensuring a worry-free experience.